Today, we're going to look at an incredible kit, the awesome, impeccable F4F-4 Wildcat. Let's begin. Here we see it's from WOC, the F4F-4 Wildcat. You see, it is this year, actually 2023, this was released. And you can see the scale 133. It's level 3 midway skill difficulty. Love the sheen on the paper. It's really a high sheen paper print, high quality print. Here you can see the instructions. That's in Polish, and at the back in English. So you're good to go. I like how they lay out. I mean, the kits printed since the past few years have been really good. As you can see here, highly detailed layout. So it's not the exclusive property anymore of like your high-end kit like Halinsky and such, but it's now general. And here you see especially the nose cowling, the engine layout. The underside show you the detailed landing gear. That's really technical. Look at that. It show you how the wires, I hope you can see what I'm showing you here, and show how it's assembled. I love the quality print that's there. You can see the arrangements right there. And here we have the forward fuselage. Nice sheen, real quality print. We have the spine of the aircraft, the detail, pretty decent here. And now we're looking at the wings. What I love about this is that the detail is very impressive. So you don't have to worry about painting, you don't have to really worry about many of the tools that you would probably see with plastic models. You see the detail, it's really high quality, high detail kit. It looks like about 140 to 150 gram sheet it's printed on. Center of the spine. And here we have the stabilizer, the prop. You can see I'm quite liking the quality print that it is. And here we have the engine parts. I love that they provide swatches just to do any final fine-tuned touch-ups with your card model. The cockpit area looks really nice. So the rear half of the fuselage, you see the joint tabs, how they even print the insignia on the joint tab. So you should not have a problem printing detail kits, creating them. And here we have the undercarriage for the wheel. The cockpit area, you see the parts for it. It's really nice, it's really nice. Going back, let's go back and look a bit at the cowling. You see this here? You see the cuts at the front there? If you look carefully, they expect you, it's a new form for me, they expect you to curve it. Very interesting. This is something that I'm going to look at and see how it works out. And that's the inner ring. And then the framework. And of course we're going to pay attention to like how many asterisks. Double asterisk denotes like 1 millimeter. You have the 0.5mm, and that's the other part of the framework. Nice. It's quite a big aircraft at 1/33 scale. Of course, a wiring template. And you see the parts now? If you look carefully. Sorry about the sheen and not probably being able to see it well enough, but if you look, you see it tells you like 1mm cardboard, that's what you'll glue the sheet onto, a 0.5mm, 0.2mm. And here is the back cover. Again, I love the high quality gloss that it's printed on. And you see there's a cowling. Like I said, you can see how they expect you to curve it. It should be very interesting. And the wheel detail. Pretty neat. I love this kit. It is quite a beautiful kit. A quite affordable kit from Wok. I hope you enjoy what you've seen. Highly recommended. Can't wait to try it out. Until then, my friends, take care and one love.